नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब है तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव, एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब and share. So in today's video, let's talk about some of the basic exercises which will definitely help you to correct your posture. So without wasting any time, let's move forward. All you need is a towel and a place to sit. So let's start. पहले एक्सरसाइज के लिए ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ इस तरह से अपनी टावल को होल्ड करेंगे एंड देन जस्ट hold either ends of the towel. Now make sure the distance between both of your arms is quite more than your shoulder frame. All you have to do is just try to stretch the towel like this. Try to stretch it as much as possible. Now keep holding the stretch. While holding the stretch, all you have to do just to bring your towel on the back side, and now just bring in front of the chest. Move it like this and feel the rotation, the movement of your shoulders. Do it slowly. Do not hurry. Continue and go as deep as possible. Try to bring it as down as possible, and when you come back, try to bring it in front of your chest. After doing 15 repetitions, relax yourself. Repeat 3 sets of this exercise. Let's move forward to the next. For this, if you have a very long towel, you can just fold it into half. So the next thing you will do is, while sitting in any comfortable position, just hold the towel on your right hand. Now just bring it behind your body. Now with your left hand, try to figure out and hold on the end of the towel. Now if this is too easy for you, you can try to make a good grip while holding the towel from the top. Now after making a good grip, all you have to do is with your left hand try to pull the towel down so it will open the right hand and the shoulder. Just hold it with complete awareness. Hold it for 30 seconds. After holding the towel for 30 seconds, just remove the hand and bring the towel back. Do it similarly with the other hand as well. Now hold the towel on your left hand, bring it behind your body, and with your right hand hold the towel from the bottom. Now slowly with your right hand try to pull the towel down, and you can see the opening of the chest and shoulder. Keep holding it for 30 seconds. After holding it, again remove your hands and place the towel back. Repeat this exercise 3 times each side. Let's move forward to the next. For the next, all you have to do is to roll your towel and make a pillow-like structure. After rolling the pillow, it will look like this. Now place this pillow-like structure under your neck. For this, you have to lie down on your back. Now place this on your mat. Now lie down on your back, placing this on the upper shoulder, or you can say the neck and shoulder joint. After placing it, just relax your neck properly and just stay here for some time. After relaxing here for 30 seconds, come back and remove the towel. Stay here up to 30 seconds or a minute for 3 to 4 times. Let's move towards the next. For this, all you have to do is to place this pillow-like structure under your lower back. So just place it properly, and again you have to lie down on your back. After keeping it close to your head. All you have to do is to lie down again. Now you can feel slight arch on your lower back. You can place your hands relaxingly to the sides. Try to stay here up to 1 minute. After staying for a while, just remove it and then get up. In the last exercise, you can stay up to 1 minute or long. Do it 4 to 5 times regularly. These exercises will definitely help you to correct your posture if you do it daily. Just try to add these practices in your daily routine in the morning or evening and get rid of that bad posture. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you like it and hope you share this. Thank you again.